Middle East International, Sami Kammaz, where advanced engineering meets the future of automated bakery production. At Middle East International, we specialize in the design and manufacturing of state-of-the-art automated ovens and complete bakery production lines, engineered for performance, precision, and reliability. Our solutions are built to meet the highest international standards, delivering consistent quality, high production capacity, and efficient energy performance. We design and manufacture Arabic and Lebanese flatbread production lines, ensuring uniform baking, accurate weight control, and continuous high-output operation. Our expertise also includes flatbread production lines, designed for flexibility and scalability to support diverse market demands. From baking to final delivery, we provide complete packaging and wrapping lines, ensuring smooth product flow, maximum efficiency, and reduced operational downtime. We also deliver advanced solutions for pastry and dough production, French baguette and sandwich bread lines, as well as pizza and manakish production lines, all engineered for precision, speed, and consistency. To support every stage of production, we manufacture high-performance industrial mixers, spiral and planetary mixers, dough kneaders and whisks, along with a full range of bakery accessories and auxiliary equipment. Every project is carefully engineered to match the client's production goals, available space, and energy requirements, ensuring long-term reliability and optimal return on investment. At Middle East International, we don't just build machines. We deliver complete, intelligent production solutions, built on engineering excellence, driven by innovation, and powered by partnership. Middle East International, Sami Kammaz, engineering bakery success for the future.